Hi everyone and welcome back. So today let's talk about a silent killer for your Galaxy S24 and this will make your phone slow after some time. I'm talking about the RAM Plus option. So by default this RAM Plus option is enabled. If you don't know what is RAM Plus, then this is a feature from Samsung. Once again, it's not from Google. It's from Samsung that uses your onboard internal storage as a virtual RAM, so it can keep more apps open and running in the background. Since Galaxy S24 Ultra already has a really good 12 gigs of RAM that is enough for almost every app out there, this dedicated RAM has a lot higher speed than your phone's internal storage. So with the passage of time, your phone will slow down because if you have enabled this RAM Plus option, then your phone will not use actual RAM that is much faster than internal storage. In order to turn off this option, go to Settings, scroll down and choose Device Care. Now tap on Memory and you will see RAM Plus option right here. Just tap it and now turn off this option. Your phone will restart and don't worry, this won't delete any data on your phone. I did the same on my Galaxy S23 and performance remained exactly same like when the phone was brand new. Since many people are getting their brand new Galaxy S24, I suggest to turn off this option right now. Try it out and let me know in the comment section if you have already enabled or disabled this option. For extra performance, you can also clear cache of your phone. For that, plug your phone into a computer using a USB cable and turn it off. Now just keep pressing volume up and power key until Samsung logo shows up. Your phone will go into recovery mode. In recovery mode, you can choose clear cache partition by pressing volume up and down keys. And when you're on that option, just press power key. After that, restart your phone. And this will also not delete any data on your phone. So try out these tips and tricks on your Galaxy S24 if you are facing any kind of lag or battery drain. And that was all about for today's episode. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.